Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your laptop's OS and that you have administrative access. This avoids permission errors. Next, choose a reputable VPN provider. Prefer one with no logs and multiple server locations, because privacy and speed matter. Once chosen, sign up and prepare payment or trial activation so you can download immediately. Make sure to note your account credentials. You'll need them when installing. This quickly gets you from prerequisites into the first actionable setup steps. You now install the VPN client specific to your laptop's OS. When prompted, grant administrative permission so the network drivers and TAP adapters install correctly. These enable the secure tunnel. Once the app is running, sign in and choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, because protocol affects performance and security. Then pick a nearby server for speed or a foreign server for location-based access. Make sure to enable auto start or kill switch if privacy is essential. You finish by connecting to the selected server and immediately verifying your new IP and location. This confirms the tunnel is active. Then run a speed test and try the sites or services you need to ensure everything routes correctly. If something goes wrong, first restart the VPN app and your laptop, then switch protocol or server to isolate the issue. If the problem persists, check firewall/antivirus settings and contact provider support. These steps fix most connection failures and preserve privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.